Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Now this video might be a little bit longer than the previous ones just because I'll be covering a little bit more information and it might be a little bit more involved. So in this video, I'm going to explain how to create remote chat messages with your friends as authors and how to invite your friends to be viewers of the chat conversation that you create. So authors can add content to the chat and viewers can only view the chat. They cannot add any kind of messages or any kind of content or edit users, anything like that. So I'm just showing you this case here. In this case, we have one author here, another author, the second author, and one viewer. Now you can have as many as 4 authors or as many as over 200 viewers. So let's just go through with this. Now, remote messages are going to be in the second tab of the app. So to get to the remote messages, all you have to do is swipe on the title here, and you'll get taken to the remote messages that you have. Now, if you don't have a premium subscription, you won't be able to create remote messages or remote chats, and you won't be able to be an author, a part of the chat. So only premium users can do that. So let's just create a remote chat right now. To do that, you have to click on this blue plus button, and then you'll be taken to this screen. Now, you wouldn't have gotten to this screen if you didn't have the premium subscription. Now, I'm going to add author 2 here, which is username Chloe WN, and right there. And all I have to do is click done. Now you could add as many, if I click the plus button again, I get taken to this. You can add as many as 4 authors here. I click done, and now I just add the users that are going to be basically part of the conversation, people that are going to create messages here. So I just say demo user 1 and demo user 2. Now you can rename or even add more users if you want to. And then all I have to do is click done. Now, after that's done, what will happen here is a notification is going to be sent to the author. Here you can see it at the bottom, saying that they have just been invited to join a chat conversation. So if you're in the app, you're going to see that. All you have to do is go to the remote messages tab. Man. Sorry, here we go. And there it is as author 2. If I click on this, it's going to tell me that I have been invited to join by this user. So I will accept. And after I've accepted, I get taken into the chat. And I'm going to go through the tutorial here, hold that button. And now as authors, you can basically do the same thing as you do normally. You can create left, right messages. And as you can see, these messages get sent automatically to the author, right? But now let's say that I want to add the viewer in here. So viewers cannot add any kind of content, but they can see the chat in real time as you're creating it. So in order to do that, all you do is go to edit user, and there is an add viewer button over here. You click the add viewer, and then you just type the viewer's username. In this case, it's Alex Rad. Here it is. And then you click done. Now, when that happens, the viewer should get a notification saying that he has just been invited to be a viewer in the remote chat. So I'm just going to wait a little bit over here. If not, I'm just going to swipe to see it. I'm just going to swipe. And there it is right there. And it's going to say viewer invite. You have been invited to view conversation, and I will accept. Obviously, you can decline and the chat will be deleted, but I will accept. And after I've gotten accepted, I will allow these permissions. I will go through the tutorial if I haven't done so. And there you go. You are now viewing the conversation as a viewer. Now, as I told you, you can edit the users as an author. Let me go here and edit. Come on. And I'll just say Alex for now. Just want to keep it quick. And back. And done. And as you can see, there you go. The user has been renamed. The user has been renamed. And if I go here and I can create a message, I can post it as Alex, and everyone will be able to see the chat. So I showed you creating content here. Now I'll show you as creating content as this author. Let's say the second author wants to add content, right? So now he adds content. There you go. The viewer sees it. The first author sees it. The second. Now you can also, as authors, you can edit chat, edit messages. So let's say that I wanted to edit that message, and I wanted to edit, say, something else. There it is. Everyone gets it. And now let's say this author 2 disagreed and that message needed to say something else. He can edit the message, continue to edit the message, and post the message. Everyone sees the message. You can also obviously add images and pictures, but that is pretty much how it goes. Now, again, authors have to have a premium subscription to create content, but viewers do not. So as authors, you can invite anyone to your conversation, to see your conversations, and to basically read your chat story. That's, we got through it. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy this feature and become premium subscribers. I'll see you in the next video.